What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis. I'm gonna teach you guys today how to make an e-brake drift. So for drifting, basically, that's what I meant to say. So if you want to have an e-brake for drifting, this is the video for you. I'm gonna do it on my Mustang. It's basically gonna work for any car. So all you have to do is what I'm gonna show you now, and then you're gonna have a drift e-brake, which is kind of the cheap version of a hydro e-brake. If you can't afford a hydro e-brake, or you don't know how to put a hydro e-brake on, this is like the cheapest version. So you have an e-brake, so when you pull it, it goes back down, and it's easier to initiate that drift. So I'm gonna show you guys now. Alright, so basically what you guys want to do, you see this little button right here on your e-brake? This is your e-brake. You're gonna want to basically twist it off. So yeah, let's see if I can grab a grip on it. So you just pull it out. So after taking out the spring and the button, which is this button, this spring is inside there and this button, so this is the button that you have to press in all the time to lift up and down to hold the e-brake up. So look at now. So that's what you want for drifting. You can see it? Yeah. So look at the e-brake. So you pull that e-brake and it just drops down. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to keep pressing the button no more. No more buttons. It's free. So you're like, ah! And then you let it go. So that's what this thing does. Just save it, just in case if you're ever gonna get rid of the car or whatever, you just put the shit back on and that's it. You can have the button back. There you go. Free mod. Easy. Hydro e-brake, whatever you want to call it. Free mod for drifting. Alright, if this video helped you in any shape, way or form, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and comment down below if it helped you. And now it's time to make this my own. I want to make it unique because I needed to have it tall. I want to make like a customized to pull it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Peace.